guys, Codepunk here. So first of all, we have this window of code editor open and the file we created in the last video. First of all, in every HTML file, you have to write this first line of code, doc type HTML. Remember, these are the angle brackets. We call these angle brackets less than and a greater than sign, following with the shebang, exclamation mark. Then we have doc type, following with the space, and HTML. This is the HTML5 declaration line. It tells the browser that our file contains HTML5 code. After that, we need to open the HTML tag and close the HTML tag. Now you need to know that HTML consists of tag, and every tag is opened with the angle bracket and closed with the angle bracket. And every tag has an opening tag and a closing tag. Now some of the tags will not have the closing tag, but we'll learn about in the future. So first of all, you need to write this line, the declaration line. And after that, you need to open the HTML tag and close that tag. Now inside, I hit enter. Now what our code editor does, it automatically enters the new line and adds this space for me. So after that, we have to create two tags. First will be the head tag. And after this head tag will come the body. This is the most basic structure of an HTML file. To open this file, I have this window open here of files and a browser. Drag this file over to my browser and it opens that file over here. Now you see that it is a totally blank file. We don't have any output over here. So we go back into the HTML code. Head tag is only for the browser to have some information. This tag tells the browser what our files contain and what our web page is about. We'll learn that later. The only thing that we need to write over here right now is the title tag. I'm just going to write my first HTML file and I'm going to save this. Now when I come back to the browser and reload this, you see the tab name has changed to my first HTML file. This comes from that title tag. And remember, the title tag goes in the head tag. Head tag tells the browser about our web page. So we come over here into the body tag and we write our first tag, and this goes like this. So the first tag that you need to learn is the h1 tag, and we have to write some text in that. I'm going to write hello world. Saving and reloading the file, you see that hello world output over here. Whatever goes into the body is going to be displayed over here. We'll learn more of these tags in our next tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.